Can you at the end of stuff?
Please be in the staff.
Tank buster? Moving.
Max melee.
Okay, run up. Shaky, shaky. Nice. Eat it. Heal up. I have my normal cooldowns here.
I got it.
Did you put that soil up slightly too late? I'm just gonna overheal there.
Hop sprint. I'm gonna go to the D one. Yeah, go to A and then D.
The soil wasn't right.
Max melee.
Max melee.
Standing here. I'm staying here. Ultima, reprisal, stack damage.
Good tactician.
Stack and go through.
Stack and go through, stack and go through. Go through. Party move again, away from the tanks.
Double tank buster.
Ultima. Bringing him back into the center. Taken, Forsaken. Facing him north. Divine Veil is out.
For this.
Melee stay close. Range slightly further out.
Through.
Through.
Beep.
Deep.
Well done, everyone.
Moving heal up, shield up. Moving over Celistriad, Celistriad. Half room.
Save pods, save cooldowns.
Big trines. Top sprint. A side.
Stack and stay.
Stack and stay. Stack and stay here. Stay, stay, stay. Stay move.
Max
Back melee.
melee.
Stay away from Venom, stay away from Venom. HG.
Double tank buster.
Pots.
Thanks. Ultima, and then moving him back into the center.
This will be a weak star.
Facing him back more. Reprisaling this one. This is the tether knockback power. I'm facing west.
Double tank buster.
North, south, east, west.
Deeps middle.
DPS in the middle. Move in DPS. Ultima. Skulls. Divine Veil is out. Wait for the heals. Do not be hasty. Melee's the rear one as well. Melee's the rear one. Go. Max melee.
Max melee.
God bless.
Lady
Ultima?
fucking MVP.
Shh. Quarter room. It's on D
Left.
side. Nice work. I got this reprisal.
Walden's coming out.
Small trines. I'm going back to sword.
I'm gonna save it for after I leave.
Yeah, limit breaks out. Small trines. Wings. Stay in the center, and I'm
Middle
going to
safe,
see.
middle safe.
Stay in the center, and I'm going to see. Max melee, Vey, after this. And then come back
Max
and
melee.
Got no
Seraphim
cooldowns.
Venom. Come back in.
Double tank buster.
Home gang.
Walden's out.
Big trine, I'm bringing him back in. Do not use your skills here. Buffs. Big trine.
Hey.
A side.
Stack and go through.
Stack and then go through. Stack and then go through. Go through. Single target tank bust from Venom.
Then double Ultima.
Yes. Then double.
First one.
I'll get the second one.
You and Dom the first one, Kiemi.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna Helios as well.
Stay quiet, call outs.
Yes, please. Forsaken
Should
coming
be
out.
one.
Forsaken. I'm moving him back north. I mean the center and then facing him north. This is the tethers. Focus up. Our DPS is good. This is the knockback tethers. I got. Shit. Facing it west. If you get tethers, you're gonna get knocked back. I'm fine, Vey. Don't worry about me. I have thing up.
Double tank
buster.
buster.
North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west.
Deeps edge.
DPS edge. Don't pop sprint. Tanks and healers, move back into the center. Ultima. Skulls. Divine Veil is out. I just put this early. Wait. Focus. Wait for the heals. Pots are out. Melee's at the rear one. Max melee.
Max melee.
Ultima.
We have pots and then Walden.
Quarter room. A side. It's okay.
Get him up.
I'm getting him right now.
First Ultima. Get him up, get it, pop him up. I got this reprisal. Add all the next one.
I have no MP.
Refresh out.
You have refresh, you have refresh.
It's out.
Add all the next one. Add all. Pots.
Balance, go!
Heal.
Why are we healing?
Congrats, guys!
Hey.
I had no idea he was that low until I looked at his HP bar and saw that he was 2%. I thought he was at like 20 something.
Spaghetti, I skipped the cooldown,
Oh,
the cutscene
man.
rather. Alright, I'm not opening these yet.
Monka S.
I got Alpha's Feather. Is that rare?
Leave it to
I
me
don't
to
think so, I
die on
think
the
it-
last fucking mechanic. God damn it.
I think it drops on in normal mode.